For our IRA for week number 8, our book is called Mr. George Baker. Now you might have already heard this in class, and even if you have, I want you to scan this QR code over here so you can listen and watch the story one more time before you start this journal. If you've already watched the story, then you can continue watching this video so we know what to do on the journal. Your prompt today says, George and Harry have a lot of things in common. Tell 2 things they have in common. So down below, your journal today is going to be telling me 2 things that George and Harry have in common. I've started both of the sentences for you and you need to finish them. So you're going to have 2 sentences total. Your first sentence starts like this. George and Harry both, you're going to tell me something that they have in common. Something they like to do the same or something they act the same. So George and Harry both, go ahead and finish that sentence. Use as much room as you need to. Put a sentence at the, or put a period at the end of that sentence, so it's the end of the first sentence. And then your second sentence starts with, they also, and you're going to be telling me another thing that they have in common, another thing that they both do, or feel, or think. So they also, and finish that sentence, put a period at the end to finish your thought. Don't forget your name down at the bottom.